Good morning, guys. As you all know from watching previous episodes, because you've been watching them, haven't you? Our water's frozen, but today it's meant to be getting up to 4 degrees. And then only -1 tonight and then 3 degrees tomorrow. So this gives me a gap where I think I'll be able to get the water unfrozen. And my method is, well, I have the tank heat on here, which is a heater probe in the tank. It helps a bit, but it, you know, obviously it doesn't work completely, otherwise the pipes wouldn't be frozen. And then, well, the trusty old kettle, you know. Tip that in the tank. I think there's quite a bit of water in there already, or probably more like ice. Get it all melted, and then hopefully the warm water in the tank will somehow get through to the pipes and defrost the pipes. Convection, is it? Something like that. But I'm not sure really, because I mean it's quite thin pipe, it's like 12mm pipe. I'm not sure if it's really gonna push the heat to set the heat to see the ice. Also, yeah, grim. I have put some salt down there and boiling water, but it's just not defrosting the waste. Just clean these panels off. What are you doing? Hey? Abajo, Zeus. Abajo. In you go. Bueno, chico. Okay, nice and clear. So hopefully take advantage of a little bit of sun we got today. What's wrong with you? Shut up. Change of plan for the day, going snowboarding. The bros here. Yo. Get some lunch quickly and careful, grab a little something to eat, and then get up on the mountain up there. Woo. I don't know what I'm going to get for lunch because it is Mad Saturday, but I'm going out for a meal tomorrow night, so I'm going to save it for that and have Mad Sunday.
These things, very tasty.
That'll be like £5, that. Oh shit, there's anything out. Oh no. Do not want all of them at all.
Oh shit, really?
What am I going to do with that? That's going to be well expensive, man. Shit, I haven't had a crumpet in ages.
These things, very tasty.
Happy birthday to Happy day of birth to you. Does it push him down? Oh, about. Yay! Can I blow the mic? No, can I blow the mic? Good day at the mountain. Finally got some 360s in. Not sure if I've got any footage of it actually. God, I could just be lying. I'm gonna message my brother in a minute and see if he got any videos. But yeah, good. He's rubbing my t-shirt on his ass.